Yeah, question 9, find the value of A for which the following matrix is singular. Okay, note, solution, for a matrix to be singular, for a matrix to be singular, for a matrix to be singular, okay, so on that premises, then we now have now determinants 32, in A, 8. And this is the sign, this is a symbol of determinants. Okay? And sign of determinants equal to what? Equal to 0. And then you must know also, you must note also that for a matrix to be singular, it must be a square matrix. It must be what? It must be a square matrix. It must be a square matrix. What I mean by that is that the number of rows and the number of columns must be equal to each other. In this case now, this is a column 1, this is a column 2, and this is row 1, and this is what? This is row 2. So you can see now it's 2 by 2, the 2 rows and 2 columns. So when the number of rows and number of columns are equal, we call it a square matrix. So let's go solution to this question. This is what we have now. For a singular matrix, its determinant must be equal to 0. Okay? So in that case now, when you are doing determinant, this will go this way. This will multiply this one, have 32 times 8. Then this one, that will be minus 8 times 8. That's what? Minus what? A squared equal to 0. Then you can move your 8 to the other side. So that will be equal to what? A squared equal to what? 32 times 8. So 32 times 8, that will give us what? That's so a squared is equal to what? 256. 32 times 8 is 256. Then take the square root of both sides. So a is equal to what? A is equal to square root of what? 256. And that's equal to. So that's equal to what? A is 16. So that's the value of that question. Okay? So that's the value of that question. Yeah, question 10. And given that AB is equal to C, find an expression for B. We have the matrix, A matrix is 2 by 2, and we have this one. C matrix is 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Then use this to find B. So these are 2 questions. The A part says that the A part say that we should find the expression for B, for the given expression, expression, and this is the B part. Okay, so let's go straight. The A part, we're given AB equal to what? Equal to C. Now the solution, AB equal to C. So if you want to find B now from this given expression, it's very simple. What we have to do is just to find a way to cancel this A here, so I can have B alone in this right-hand side. So what do? We're going to use the inverse to multiply both sides. Multiply both sides by inverse matrix of A. Okay? So by so doing, when you have the inverse times the matrix, inverse of the matrix times the given matrix, it's going to give you identity matrix. Okay? Equal to what? Equal to this. And when you multiply identity matrix with the matrix, another matrix, it doesn't change the B. So this will be what? It's just like you are using 1 times B. So it's just B equal to what? This equal to this. And that's that. I will expatiate that. For example, now, when we say identity matrix now, I could be 2 by 2. It could be 2 by 2. What I mean by that is that the leading diagonal, this leading diagonal is 1. Okay? Now this line here is a leading diagonal, is 1. Or you can say the main diagonal is 1. So if you now use this one to multiply another matrix, it should not change this matrix here, which is B. It won't change it. Then change it. It will be what? It will be B. Okay, just like you are saying 1 times 2. Okay, so that's that on this case. So, or better still, maybe I can say this we cancel the inverse times inverse of A times A, cancel out. Okay, so you have this is your answer. So that's done. Okay, yeah, that's done. And if you have your time, you can try to multiply these square matrix 2 by 2 with your B. Just use any matrix you like. Just form any matrix you like. You realize that it will not change. It will give you back your B. It has no effect on this matrix here. You can try that. So, but this is just your answer here. Okay, that's just your answer there. To recap that, step 1, A part. For recap, you have AB equal to what? Equal to C. Step 1, multiply both sides by A inverse. By A inverse. And the moment you do that, this will cancel out. You have B equal to what? Equal to this. And that finished the question. Okay, then the B part. The B part, we have the A, we have the B, C matrix. We have 2 by 2 for A, we have 2 by 3 for the C. Okay, and then use that to find what? To find B. And don't forget, we have expression for B. So what we're going to do now is to get, this is our A. Our A is what? 1 minus 3, 3, 1. This is 2 by 2. If you want to find the inverse of this, it's very simple. It's going to be what? 1 over determinants of A. Okay? Then, if it's 2 by 2, it's very simple. There are 2 ways to it. There's 2 ways you can do it. You can exchange what you have here, the what you have here on the diagonal, exchange it. If you have any value here, take it here. The one you have here, bring it here. So in this case now is 1, 1. So it has no changes. And then multiply the one here by minus, times minus, times minus. So this becomes 3. This will become minus 3. Okay? So, and that will be what? That will give us what? The determinant is what? 1 over. If you want to get the determinant for 2 by 2 is 1 times 1. That's 1. Then minus 1 times 1. That's 1. Then minus this one times this one. That's what? Minus 9. Into bracket what? 1, 3, minus 3, 1. And this will give us 10. So A is what? So that's A. So A inverse is what? A inverse is 1 over 10 into bracket 1, 3, minus 3, 1. That's that on that question. Then let's now get the final conclusion. B equal to A inverse times C, which is equal to what? 1 over 10 into bracket 1, 3, minus 3, 1. Then C is what? We have 5, 4, 2, 0, 7, 6. That's my C. So let's multiply that. So that will be what? B equal to 1 over 10 into brackets. When you are multiplying, is row against a column. Okay, to get the first elements. So 1 times 5. That's what? 5. Plus what? 3 times 0. That's what? Plus 0. I've done the first element. The second one, you repeat it also. This row times the second column to get the second element here. So 1 times 4, that's 4, plus 3 times 7, that's 21. And finally, this same row times the last column. Okay, that will be 1 times 2, that's 2, plus 6 times 3 times 6, that's 18. Okay, then repeat the same thing also for the second row. Here, minus 3 times 5, that's a minus 15. 3 times 0, that's a plus 0. This same row also times the second column, that will be minus 3 times 4, that's a minus 12. 1 times 7, that's a plus 7. Do the same thing also. This same row times the third column, that will be minus 3 times 2, that's what? Minus 6. 1 times 6 plus 6. So we now have 1 over 10 into bracket 5, 25, 20, minus 15, minus 12 plus 7, that's minus 5, and then this is 0. That's 0. So on the final note, you can divide now. This 1 over 10 means we are dividing each item. You can leave it this way, but if you want to go on again, you are dividing each element by 10. So 5 over 10, that's 1 over 2. Okay, P is equal to 1 over 2. 25 over 10, that's a 5 over 2. 20 over 10, that's 2. Minus 5 over 10, that's minus 3. Minus 15 over 10, that's minus 3 over 2. Minus 5 over 10, that's minus half. And finally, 0. Okay, you can leave it this way if you don't have the time. If you also like, you can go further and stop in this in that way. Okay, the only observation I want to just explain is that you can also get the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix by using this method also, 1 over determinant of A. Okay, what you have here, if you check your A is what? Minus 3, 3. Okay, so what you have here, 1, 1, exchange it, bring this one up, bring this one down, and multiply again by negative. So that'll be minus 1, that'll be minus 1. So the choice is yours. The choice is yours. What we did, or what I did, I exchanged this one, this leading diagonal, this one in this case, I change this place, okay? Then I multiply this place by what? By minus. So the choice is all yours. Your determinant can also be in this form. Okay, so that's that on this question. So please join the next question. That's question 11. If you are new on the channel, why not subscribe right now? Smash that notification bell. Smash the notification bell so that as we upload, you get notified. Okay, and send your comments, and then we'll respond to your comment as fast as possible. Thank you so much. Click on like button across all our videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.